a very gorgeous young man with a big voice. He goes by the name Akwadaa Nyame. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for him.
Hello, people of Ghana. I've missed you so much, and I wish all the season 13 contestants a very good luck. Akwadaa Nyame, this is how we do it. Let me see your hands in the air. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Make some noise. Woo! Coffee P mix. What do you say? I know, Penny. When you know I am a me, I'm red. What do you say? I know, Penny. So I'm a man in the frame. I want a man in the edge. What do you say? I know, Penny. What is that? Say, Martin. Miss Ariana, who I didn't you? They go dance to who I didn't dance. When the men die, I'm into maintenance. Me was who I'm into me gata. Me ready to say I know baby. Me baby I say me don't go on, me don't go on. Say what me boy. Me baby I say me don't go on, me don't go on. But don't you wait, don't see me OBIAA. Me baby I say me don't go on, me don't go on. Now what time is it? Me better say me don't go on, me don't go on. But don't rush it, me don't wish me OBIAA. I need someone to come my road. Me and I make a now my find someone to sit on my throne. Me friend or him man, one so friend. Or in name, what up you? Why? Me to me na you. Oh no, me ma obedient come yet so no. Yenga is a better than with you. But don't rosie, me no one be. When him near send ya me no. When him near send ya me anyway. When him near send ya me anyway. Me be ya say me don't go on, me don't go on. Thank you all my fans in Ghana and outside Ghana. And once again, thank you.
A wonderful performance there by Akwadaa Nyame, the winner of Talented Kids Season 12. Ladies and gentlemen,
I
give it up for him.
Akwadaa Nyame, Until we need Talented Kids, no?
Oh, please, you can do it.
Oh, English. Oh no,
Levels don't change.
I know, right? So how has life been after Talented Kids?
Oh, first of all, a big shout out to all my fans in Ghana and outside Ghana. Auntie Paulina, I've missed you so much. Uncle Benedict, I've missed you so much. And Nitete, I've missed you so much. I love you. Please, after winning Talented Kids, I've been going for programs anyway. But my father has been so selective because he realized that my academics wasn't good. So he started working out to get me the best of education. But now, I'm in one of the best schools in Ghana. British Columbia College. Secondly, my studio is almost ready, so my fans should expect something big from Akwadaa Nyame.
Big from Akwadaa Nyame.
Especially this year.
Especially this year.
Yeah.
High five. High five. Well done, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, lovely audience. We'll be back in a jiffy.